Maximize your restaurant's potential with Munch Manager, our commission-free food ordering manager. Say goodbye to hefty commission fees and hello to more profits. To access Munch Manager, simply go to munchapp.com.au/manager on any web browser. Enter your credentials and you're ready to go. For on-the-go convenience, download our ordering app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile or tablet device. Our app provides real-time notifications for order updates from customers. The homepage is your central hub for managing incoming orders and configuring order settings. Our receipts provide detailed breakdowns and automatic discount calculations to streamline your workflow, saving you valuable time. To process orders, simply approve them, or for users ordering in person, check them in using their unique membership code. Members who are successfully checked in will be instantly awarded entries to win our major prize draws, adding an extra incentive for engagement. Our platform offers flexibility. If you prefer not to participate in our loyalty rewards program, it can be disabled with a single click. Keep in mind this may affect your venue search rankings, as venues with entries enabled are prioritized. If pre-ordering is disabled, your menu will still be displayed and searchable, but users will not be able to order through the app. You can always toggle ordering or entries on and off at your convenience. With Munch, managing discounts has never been easier. On our discount page, you will find the most comprehensive and effective discount management system available on any food ordering platform. Choose from 4 different types of discounts. For each discount, you can specify whether it's a percentage or a dollar amount off. On the next slide, select which items or menus the discount applies to. Our system automatically calculates and applies the discounts to the selected products, saving you time and effort. Finally, customize the times when the discount is available to your customers, ensuring flexibility and control over your promotions. Our menu creator gives you full control over crafting menus tailored to your restaurant's needs. Create multiple menus and specify times and days for each menu, aligning to your schedule. Our system automatically calculates your opening hours based on your selected menu hours. Create and edit items, assigning them to specific menus or categories. Enhance the visual appeal of your menu by adding images to items, making them even more enticing to your customers. Customize each item by adding free or priced options. Easily organize categories and delete menus from the bottom of the page. Set holiday hours to temporarily close your venue on specified days. Our analytics page provides comprehensive insights to help your business thrive and grow, offering valuable data-driven strategies to optimize performance and maximize success. Start earning more today with Munch and take your restaurant to new heights. Join us now and experience the difference for yourself.